In this lesson, we want to look at how to display objects and comment in the object manager. I have already prepared a scene and make several objects, child and parent, as you can see. These ticks are the first signs that when we click on them and it becomes cross, it means that the object is inactive. The same is true for comments. For example, this band comment. We click on a tick, it turns to cross and the band disable. There are also used to enable or disable the comment. Also, if you want to disable all available objects, the software has an interesting way to do this. Hold down the mouse from where you clicked and drag down as far you want. This way you can disable a large number of objects. Okay, we active them again and click on one of them, tick and drag. Okay, there are 3 items in a basic tab for each object or comment when we select it. 1. Visible in editor, which is the first point in object manager. Visible in render, which is the second point in object manager, front of every object. And enable option, which is the same activating or deactivating the object, the same cross and tick. Okay, you can see. We do this to explain the color of the dots. Click on one of the children. As you can see, 2 dots are gray. This means that they are seen in both editor and the render. I mean the render here. We click on the render. Okay. By clicking on them, their point turn to green. This means that they can be seen in both places. So, what different between the gray and green color? Which will we say in the following. But with the next click on the first button, it turns red and disappears from the viewport as you saw. Notice that the object exists and has been removed, just disappeared, but the object is exist. Okay, and by clicking on the dot, we make it green again. Now I click on the second point and make it red. This causes the object disappear from a rendering view. Click the render button. As you can see, the object has disappeared. Okay, will we turn every dot back to gray to explain the difference between gray and green color. In a parent, we click on the first point and turn it to red. And as you see, all children disappear. Also, all children are gray. This color means that the object is waiting for the parent comment. Now, we make a first point of one of the children to green to be seen. And the object appear in the viewport. This is the same as for render view. I mean second point. Okay. Now we release all objects from under the parent. Okay. For example, you want to make all objects reds. As before, hold down the mouse in the place that you click to make red color dot and drag down as far as you want. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.